What's the meaning of coronation? Coronation. Coronation.
Coronation. Coronation. A coronation is a ceremony that marks the formal investiture of a monarch with regal power and authority. It is a highly significant event and a symbol of continuity and stability in a country's political system. The coronation usually involves a series of rituals, such as the anointing of the monarch with holy oil, the presentation of the crown, and the taking of oaths of allegiance. The result of a coronation is the legitimization of the monarch's reign and the recognition of their sovereign power over the realm.